I understand English, but I can't speak easy voice over script. You understand English, right? You watch movies in English. You watch videos and web series. You understand almost everything. But when it is time to speak, you become silent. Your brain knows English, but your mouth does not speak. Why does this happen? Today's video is about this problem. Language is not only grammar. It is not only vocabulary. It is not only pronunciation. Language is about expression. Most people fail because of imbalanced practice. In this video, I will share 3 simple and proven techniques. These techniques can help you speak better English in less than 30 days. Relax. This is not clickbait. This video can change your mindset. The root cause. You understand everything, but you cannot express yourself. Why? Imagine you are walking on a tight rope, like in a circus. In one hand, you hold 50 kilograms weight. In the other hand, you hold 10 kilograms weight. What will happen? The heavier side will go down. This is called imbalance. This imbalance stops you from becoming fluent. Input is watching videos. Input is listening. Input is reading. But output is speaking and writing. Most people only take input. They do not practice output. That is the main problem. Fluency comes from balance. Technique 1. Start writing. A study was done at Stanford University. Group A read 1 article daily and wrote about it. Group B only read the article. After 1 week, both groups gave an interview. Group A performed 30% better. Why? Because writing organizes your thoughts. When your thoughts are clear, speaking becomes easy. You do not need to write long essays. Write 3 or 4 lines. Write about your day. Write about your feelings. Write about your thoughts. Writing relaxes your mind. It clears your brain. You can also comment below videos. This helps you practice writing daily. Technique 2. Learn through stories. We all remember stories. Do you remember the story of the thirsty crow? Yes, we remember it easily. Why? Because stories are interesting. Stories are emotional. Now listen to a short story. After listening, pause the video. Retell the story in your own words. The stone cutter story simple. There was a stone cutter. He lived in a small village. Every day, he worked with stones. One day, he found a very big stone. He hit it once. Nothing happened. He hit it again. Still nothing happened. People laughed at him, but he did not stop. He kept hitting the stone. After many hits, on the 100th hit, the stone broke. Everyone was shocked. Moral: success comes from consistency. Every small effort matters. Technique 3. Stand tall and stand strong. When you sit or lie down, your energy is low. When you stand up straight, your confidence increases. Stand up. Speak loudly. Imagine an audience. Your brain moves into performance mode. Consistency is the real key. If you practice for 1 or 2 months, you are already ahead of 90% of people. Final message. The techniques are simple, and simple things work best. Do not complicate English. Express yourself freely. Practice every day. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.